Girl, you're so beautiful. You should just be yourself.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna give you guys my OOTD of the day. I am vlogging off my phone, because I didn't want to take my camera just in case we just decide to do something else. But let me show y'all my outfit. So this is the OOTD. I know that a lot of people like these. So yeah, I'm just wearing this top I got this from Ross. I got these shorts from Ross. They're like two different denim, two different colors. My bag is from Shein. Shoes are from Shein. And then accessories and stuff is from Shein. And that's how I'm coming. Bae.
How you bumming?
Yeah, this is Bae right here.
You know. Stepping on them in the
Okay, period.
With this dumbass man. Hey, don't mind my mask, y'all. Be safe.
Be safe.
COVID going around.
Right. Okay, y'all. So we was in the room for a minute, but we about to go to Nacho Daddy. You hungry?
I'm drunk too.
We about to go to Nacho Daddy because I'm hungry too. I'm ready to eat. You ready to eat?
Hell yeah, I'm hungry too.
Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie. This heat outside,
man,
it's serious. It's something tough. But we're gonna go walk the strip and enjoy our time and whatnot. I'm trying to get my bae to take me a picture before it gets too dark.
I'm light skin. They trying to be dark skin already.
I'm trying to get all shots of my little stuff. Okay, but I'll call y'all back when we figure out what we about to do, okay?
We don't.
It's so beautiful. Oh, this where the gondola ride's at, babe. This where the gondola ride's at. Oh, it's so pretty in here. My honey. I can't wait to get on there. Y'all, I gotta pee so bad. I'm so hungry. And I'm tired, but we made it. Look. Here goes Nacho Daddy. I'm super excited to eat what my fed is. I'm so excited.
Are you letting me?
Oh my God, y'all. So they told us that it was gonna take us an hour to 30 minutes, but God's favor said we're gonna get seated right now. But anyways, I'm gonna get off of here because Beyonce playing and I can't wait to order my food. Look at my hungry honey. Okay guys, so we're getting ready to go to the pool. This is my OOTD of the day. I got this swimsuit from Shein, shoes from Shein, purse from Shein, accessories, everything Shein, baby girl, glasses, everything. It's giving very much body today. Oh, yes. So we're getting ready to head to the pool. We are sitting poolside right now. Very much vibes. Look at my bae. He is so happy with himself.
Passion fruit, y'all.
I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I absolutely love the Venetian. It gives very much bougie vibes, expensive, rich girl energy, and I'm all here for it. Like, everything in this hotel is super amazing, literally. I give this hotel 5 stars. So if you come to Vegas, stay at the Venetian, and that's just that on that. But we were basically just vibing. Now we're gonna go back up to our room, get changed, and we're gonna go walk the strip a little bit before we go to the sugar factory a little bit later. So I'll catch back up with you guys when we get dressed. So we are currently at Johnny Rockets. I've always heard of them, but I'm gonna try it really quick, and then we're gonna go back to the room and change all that jazz. So we're back in the room. I just got some show y'all. I got some chili cheese fries and some chicken strips because your girl needed to fill back up before we go back outside. We're gonna get dressed again, walk outside a little bit, just live life. That is my vibe. I'm just living life.
My vibe right now is just living life. I am just here to live life. I was just there living life.
Give y'all some real tea. Vegas, for me, being in my 30s, it's like I can't keep up. But the hotel is a vibe. I love that. And food. Like, those are the things that I realized, like, because I was like, you know, I wanted to go vibe out, you know, and see what the Vegas life is about. But this is really like party. And for me, at this age, if I was in my 20s, it would have been 10 times better. But as me being in my 30s, I just want to eat good. I want to sleep. I want to, you know, see nice things. And I thought that I really wanted to party. Like, I really came out here thinking like I really wanted to party. I wanted to live it up. So anyways, I'll get back to you guys when I'm done eating and we're outside. Okay, so today I am wearing head to toe Shein. Once again, accessory Shein, everything. But I just thought I'd show y'all the look, okay? Because it's all about the looks. And that's just that on that. About to go downstairs and outside, and I'm gonna take y'all with me, okay? And I'll bring my camera until later, and then I'm gonna vlog off my phone because that's just how we gonna do it, baby girls and baby boys. So yeah, make sure that you guys like, subscribe to the channel, like, stop acting funny, okay? Period. So it's so hot, but let me show y'all the Gondola Ride. It's so beautiful. Like, that's so beautiful, and the water's so beautiful. I want to get in the water. I ain't gonna lie, babe, if it's still hot like this, we gonna have to get in the pool for real. This is next level. But it's a beautiful day out here. We're just leaving the Venetian. Our hotel is up over there. We're gonna do some walking, y'all. So we have made it to the sugar factory, and I've been wanting to go to the one in Miami, but I realized they have one out here. So we about to get up in the sugar factory and see what it do. I note to y'all that y'all should make reservations before you think you're just about to walk up in here and get something to eat, because we had to wait an hour and it felt like 2 hours. But I'm hungry. I'm super excited. I heard so many good things about this place. So we gonna see what it's giving us. Because you know, Key always gonna let you know what it is giving, and that's the tea. That's the real tea. Yes. Love it.
I'll be back with a straw.
Okay guys, so our food is here and it looks absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to tear this up, okay? Hey guys, and good morning. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday to everyone. I'm in there listening to my church on the Zoom, but I just want to come on here and just tell you guys good morning. Today is going to be an eventful day. We're going to do a tour, the boat ride, the gondola boat ride, and I think we're going out to dinner and stuff. So yeah, this is our last day. I'm sad. It's not that I'm going to miss the place, but this room, baby, I'm going to miss it. But anyways, you guys, yeah, I will get back on here and talk to you guys when we're done. Oh, let me show you guys Ootd today. Okay guys, so this is the outfit of the day. All compliments of Shein. Ready to go to Madam Somebody, and it's like a little wax museum. So yeah, girls and boys, we're gonna go to the wax museum, see what they got to offer, and then later on we're going to dinner at Casanova, and we're gonna do a boat ride. Okay, but I just had some Chipotle because I'm hungry and it's about to be a long day. I'm sad because we got to get up hecka early. It's like we ain't even gonna be able to go to sleep for real because our flight, we got to just get to the airport super early tomorrow. So after today, you guys, like, vacation is over. You guys won't be getting any more vacation vlogs and content and stuff like that, and it makes me really sad, but it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. So I'm gonna talk to you guys when we're leaving because I'm about to relax for a little bit. Okay. Is that Jamie Foxx? I'm done. Who is this guy with the martini? Not with it. Her. I don't even know her. Come on, bro. Okay. Man, look at Don King. Hey guys, so we are on a romantic dinner. As you guys can see on my husband.
Alright. What's up with you? How y'all doing today?
Guys, so we are going on the Gondola Ride. You excited, babe?
Yes.
You hot?
Too
You
hot.
tired?
Yeah.
You over Vegas? He's over it. But we about to get on this Gondola Ride and enjoy our last night.
Keep it lit.
I loved it.
Yeah. Expensive as shit.
We made it back to our room. I'm so sad, but I gotta close out this vlog. I'm really gonna miss this bathroom. It gave what needed to be given, like, and everything. But I thank you guys for supporting your girl, watching all my vlogs, my content. I am super thankful for it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my vacation, and there will be another one coming up shortly. So stay tuned. Okay, and that's just that on that, but I gotta go to bed because I have an early morning flight. So until next time, peace.